how do I calculate ACOS and understand whether it's good or bad? ACOS is the percentage that you're going to get. So it's advertising cost of sales, and it's going to be based on your retail price. For example, if your product retail price is $50, then you're spending up to $50 on advertising, you will have 100% ACOS. The way how you would realize if this is good or bad, ideal, we want to make sure that we're profitable on the ads that we are generating, and there we are going to look at the second metrics, which is break-even ACOS. And the way how you would calculate the break-even ACOS is you would take all the costs of goods sold, and then from the retail price, just let's say again $50 product retail price, and you would end up with the $30. And those $30 are money that's supposed to go in your pocket. Now you would calculate what is the percentage of that, the $30, and that is going to become your break-even ACOS. And then you're going to compare your break-even ACOS against your actual ACOS. And if you're going to see that, for example, your break-even ACOS is 50%, then let me give you $25 profit margin because that's actually 50%. Then you would understand that with the 100% ACOS, you're actually not making money. So anything that would be under the 50% would generate additional income for you. Anything that is above that would take away money from you. So then here, in order to make sure that you are making profit, your ads would need to have ACOS under the 50%.